Hey, it's Ami with the Teacher's Teacher, and today we're looking at finding surface area of rectangular and triangular prisms using nets. The TEK we're looking at today is 7.9D. Make sure to use the guided notes provided to follow along as we go through these examples together. When we look at example 1, we're trying to find the total surface area of a rectangular prism. It's important to note the word total means we're looking for the area of all of the faces, including the bases. In a rectangular prism, all of the faces are made up of rectangles, and in order to find the area of a rectangle, we must use the formula area is equal to base times height. It's also important to note that in a rectangular prism, faces that are opposite from one another are congruent. Therefore, when we're looking at this prism, we can say that this face here in green is also congruent to this face here. The same can be noted for this face here in orange, as well as its opposite face here, also noted in orange. And the last face we want to look at is up here up top in pink. And note again that it has a face that's congruent to it as well, also noted as in pink. Now let's go in and find the area of each of these faces. When looking at this green rectangle, we know that the formula is area is equal to base times height. We know that we have an area with a base of 2 centimeters times a height of 3 centimeters. So the area for this rectangle is 6 square centimeters. Don't forget to go ahead and mark the other green rectangle with an area of 6 square centimeters as well. Now let's look at the orange face. Again, it's a rectangle, so we've got to utilize the formula of area is equal to base times height. Notice it has a base length of 5 and a height of 3. So 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters gives us 15 square centimeters. Again, don't forget to note that the congruent base also has an area of 15 square centimeters. And finally, we're going to go ahead and look at the pink face. Again, it's a rectangle, so the formula is area is equal to base times height. And our dimensions are 5 centimeters by 2 centimeters, giving us a total of 10 square centimeters. Don't forget to note that the other pink rectangle also has an area of 10 square centimeters. So in order to find the total surface area, we must add up the area of all of the faces. So 6 square centimeters plus 6 square centimeters plus 15 square centimeters plus another 15 square centimeters plus 10 square centimeters and another 10 square centimeters gives us a total of 62 square centimeters. Now let's find the lateral surface area of the rectangle. Don't forget, lateral surface area refers to all of the faces, but we must exclude the bases. Again, let's make note that we have faces that are congruent to one another, so their areas will also be congruent to one another. Let's begin by looking at the green rectangle. Again, the dimensions are 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So when finding the area, 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters gives us 6 square centimeters. Now let's find the area of the orange rectangle. Five centimeters times 3 centimeters is 15 square centimeters. And remember, the rectangle congruent to that face will also have an area of 15 square centimeters. So the lateral surface area of the rectangular prism is 15 square centimeters plus 15 square centimeters plus 6 square centimeters plus 6 square centimeters equaling 42 square centimeters. Now let's take a look at finding the total surface area of a triangular prism. Again, we must find the area of each of the faces, including the bases. Let's begin by looking at the area of the 3 rectangular faces. Our first rectangular face has dimensions of 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters. The area of this face can be found by multiplying 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters, giving us 28 square centimeters. The second face can be found by finding the area, noting that the dimensions are 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Giving us a total of 21 square centimeters. Our third face has dimensions of 5 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Giving us a total of 35 square centimeters. Now we must find the area of the 2 triangular faces. Remember, to find the area of a triangle, the formula is 1/2 the base times the height. In this case, our base is 3 and our height is 4. 1/2 of 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters is equal to 1/2 of 12 centimeters squared, which gives us 6 square centimeters. So in order to find the total surface area of this triangular prism, we must add up all of the areas of all of the faces. So we have 28 square centimeters. So we have 28 square centimeters plus 21 square centimeters plus 35 square centimeters plus 6 square centimeters plus another 6 square centimeters, giving us a total of 96 square centimeters. Lastly, let's find the lateral surface area of the triangular prism. Again, remember, when finding the lateral surface area, we're finding the area of all of the faces excluding the bases. So when finding the area of the first face, we have dimensions 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So when finding the area, 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters gives us 28 square centimeters. The second rectangle has dimensions of 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Giving us an area of 21 square centimeters. And our last piece, our last face, has dimensions of 7 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Which gives me 35 square centimeters. So in order to find the lateral surface area of this triangular prism, we'll add up 28 square centimeters plus 21 square centimeters plus 35 square centimeters, giving us a total of 84 square centimeters. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.